Remove the blank rows all at once from Excel worksheet. If your spreadsheet looks messy and congested, let me show you how to clean up those blank spaces. This is one of the best and easy data cleaning techniques. Let's clean this data. Here, you can see we have some of our data, and throughout the data, when we scroll down, there are blank rows scattered throughout, and this could be a time-consuming process to have to sit here and highlight each row, right-click, click on Delete to remove each. So what we can do is remove all of the blank rows in our data set in one shot. So a shortcut to do this is, first, we are going to highlight our entire data set all the way down to the bottom of our data, and once we scroll down, I'm using Ctrl+, Shift and my arrow keys to get us to the bottom of that data set, and next, on our home ribbon, we're going to navigate over to the Find and Select tool and click on Go to Special, and a shortcut for Go to Special is Ctrl+G on your keyboard, and then you go ahead and click the Special button, and now, from here, this is where we want to select the blanks option, and the shortcut for blanks on your keyboard is the letter K, or you can manually go and click it, and then we are going to click Enter or OK on the menu. And now, as you can see, it took, based on our selection, all of the different rows that were blank and highlighted them for us. And now, something to remember, without clicking anywhere else, or else we will unselect what we just selected. We can do either right-click on one of these different blanks and click Delete. And this is going to bring up our mini delete menu here, where we can specify how we want to go ahead and shift these cells once we delete these rows. For this example, we are going to select entire row, or the shortcut is the letter R on your keyboard, and click OK, and now all of those blank rows have been deleted and our data is concisely together. This is a great data cleaning technique that you may want to use if, let's say, you're trying to pivot this data or reference it somewhere else. It's a great best practice to remove any blank rows or spaces that you have, so your data is all cohesive. It also makes it easier if you're going to select an entire data set, because now, instead of scrolling down and clicking and dragging to highlight it, we could just do Ctrl+ on our keyboard to highlight the entire data set as it is all cohesively there.